Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome back. Now in this lecture, we're going to go ahead and let me show you how you can use the Wavtolip technology, which is for lip syncing or syncing, which basically is going to help you move the lips according to what you want to do. So you can make people say what you want them to do. But first of all, I would like to make clear that you are required to have certain software, such as either Camtasia if you have it, or OBS, which is a free software, or any software that can record screen and audio, because you're going to need video and audio. Now, the videos that you can use need to be square videos, right? So that's the first thing. They need to be square. They should not be landscape size videos. They should be less than 1080p, which means they should be just about 720p, and they should be in MP4 format, and the audio size should be MP4. So right now, let me go ahead and show you this tool here, which is Wavtolip, and let's get into it. First of all, when it comes to the video, it should be square, meaning it should be like this one that you're looking at right here. It is an aspect ratio of 1 by 1 inches. The quality is not too great, so it's not 1080p. Also, in order for you to make your videos into that particular square size, what you can do after you take the recording from YouTube, you can click here on Create a Design, and then you have the option of Video Collage. If you don't find it, you can search for it. And Video Collage is going to give you a template. It's an empty template on top of which you can place a landscape video like I'm going to do right here. And you can turn that video into simply a square video, which is what's going to be needed if you're going to use Wavtolip. It's actually primordial. So if I go to my uploads, I'm pretty sure I can find some videos that we can use right here that are landscape. So for example, let me take this one right here. This is a landscape video. I can just right click here and set the video as a background. And this is the type of video you're looking for. You're looking for a squared video. And once you're done, you can just simply click download that particular video. When it comes to the audio, you have to take a screen recording of a recording of the audio and a screen recording of the video. And the video doesn't have to have any audio in it, but if it has audio, then that's good. The better option is for the video to not have an audio. So remove the audio from the video, and the audio that we're going to use is the audio that you want the character to say. That's why I introduced you to 11 Labs, because 11 Labs is going to allow you to clone the voice. For example, you can clone the voice of Elon Musk. And after you've cloned that voice, you can right now just go to 11 Labs and generate whatever it is you want Elon Musk to say. You generate the voiceover, and you have a video sample of Elon Musk talking, but there's no voice in it. And the combination of the audio and the video will actually make Elon Musk talk in a way that you want him to. So you can make him say whatever it is you want him to say. Of course, this is just for hypothetical purposes. We're just experimenting. Now, the website I would like you to go to is this GitHub link right here. And you can pause the screen to copy it. It's this one right here, github.com/, and you can see there, you can pause the video, or if you have no technical issues, you can go and find it in the resources of this lecture. Now, once you go to this link, I need you to scroll and scroll and scroll until you see the highlights section. And then in the highlights section, there is this option here called link. And it's basically the last bullet on top of the last bullet fire emojis. And you click on that link, that will take you to where you need to go. And once you go to this collab.research.google link here, there's one more step that you need to take before we are ready. So click on the Collab research option or link. Once you've clicked on it, now this is the previous link and this is the new link. We're going to require two things. We're going to require a voiceover and we're going to require a video. So first off here, make sure you click on step number 1, set up Wavtolip. Just click run anyway, and that's it. And then while that's running, click here on the file option. That should expand the file for you so that you can see here the files. And since we're going to create a deepfake, you're going to require a video of the Joker talking, moving his lips without the sound. And you're going to need the 11 Labs voiceover deepfake of Joker saying whatever it is you want him to say. Now, in this case, this is the deepfake sample of how it would turn out.
Introduce a little automation. Disrupt the established workforce, and everything becomes uncertain. I'm an agent of innovation. Oh, and you know the thing about innovation? It's relentless.
All right. So now make sure you have in your computer an audio and a video. Now the video, in my case, I have a Joker Square video in which the Joker is actually not really saying anything. There is no sound to it, so you can see that this is the type of video you want. Now it's a squared video, which is the exact type of video you need, right? And I've shown you how to do that. Drag your video into the browser and drag it here into this field and place it right there. Just click on OK. And then that should upload. And then go to 11 Labs and generate a voiceover of whatever it is that you want the Joker to say. Now, I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to the Joker voice. And I'm going to make the Joker say something. So I'm going to keep the same sentence from before. Here, when it comes to the style, I could resort back into default by clicking to default and generate that voiceover to make it shorter. The shorter it is, the better. Like I said, the video should be no more than 60 seconds. And that's the limit.
Introduce a little automation. Disrupt the established workforce.
All right. You can see that this is the voice. Now I'm going to download that voice and then go back into my Wavtolip GitHub link or collab link and then drag the voice here as well. So I'm going to take the voice, the 11 Labs voice that I've downloaded just now, drag it until I place it here, and let's get started. It's very easy from here, right? Now, once you've set up the first step, which is necessary, don't forget to click on the first step before moving from now. Otherwise, you're not going to have the results. If you scroll down here, scroll and scroll until you see lip sync on your video file. Let me repeat myself. Lip sync on your video file. Once you see that, scroll down here. Instead of upload, click on custom path. And then here, you want to go to your video, the Joker Square video or whatever video it is. Click on the ellipses. Click on copy path. And then select this, delete it, drag your path, copy paste your path here, and then run the thing. Run it. Now, once you've run that, click connect to Google Drive, select an account, and then move on to step number 3. For step number 3 as well, I would like you to click on custom path and go to the 11 Labs audio on the left-hand side. Click on the ellipses, click on copy path, and then make sure that you drag it here by removing the old one, placing the new one. But we're not done yet. Do not run this. Now we have our video. It's good. So now we're good to go to step number 3. Now, once you've pasted the link, click on show the code and scroll down until you see this else hashtag custom path. Here in the from line from Google Colab, make sure you click on the beginning of the line and then add a hashtag right here to rule that line off. So this is what I'm going to do here. Add the hashtag to rule that line off. Once you've done so, make sure that you click here on run. That will run step number 3, and it will not be long before we go and generate our deepfake. Now, our video here is 30 seconds, which is not the most optimal video. But to be honest, this is the only video I found of the Joker talking like a person on a table, you know? So if I scroll down right here, notice that now it's been processed. This is step number 4, the last step. You don't need to do anything here but click on run. And it will certainly take some time, but it will generate the deepfake video for us. And we can go ahead and basically listen to this once it is generated. All right, finally, we have the video. I'm going to go ahead and click right here to download it because I want to watch it on my computer because the quality here is not so great. And then we can open this up and listen to this one. All right, 1, 2, 3. Let me just add some more volume. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Introduce a little automation. Disrupt the established workforce. And everything becomes uncertain. I'm an agent of innovation. Oh, and you know the thing about innovation? It's relentless.
And there we have it. It is a deepfake of the Joker. I hope that you liked this tutorial here about how to use Wavtolip. Now, this is just one option of many options to create deepfakes out there. But generally speaking, it doesn't get any better than this because this one is for free. And I'm not sure that you're going to find a lot of places where you can create deepfakes for free on the web. At least this is the method that I have found to be the cheapest, and also it gives one of the best results out there for free. Stay tuned, because in the next lecture, there's one more, or actually two more characters in the next lectures that we're going to generate deepfakes for. The first one, obviously, was the clone of the Joker. So that's done. Mission accomplished. Next, I'm going to introduce you to how to create the clone for Elon Musk. But first of all, there's a software I'd like to introduce you to, which is called HitPaw Video Enhancer. In case you're interested to enhance the video, I would say video aspect and so on and so forth, make it look better, make the colors look more better for the people that are going to watch it. So stay tuned for the next lecture.